All right, hey, what's going on, guys? Today I am running behind schedule, if you haven't noticed, and I am only going to be broadcasting on YouTube because the connections with Facebook wouldn't sync up and it wouldn't broadcast. So I don't really know what's happening there, but I was already running late, and I don't have much time to summarize my trades today, so I'll just get straight to the point. Today I took a bunch of wins and a couple of losses, and I ended up with about like a little over $100 in profit. Let's just summarize them really quick. So one of the things that I do every day is, as you know, the opening breakout on crude oil, and I took the opening breakout range is, well, it doesn't matter because I didn't actually, no, I did take it. I did actually take it. And it was actually a loss, but I didn't want to take it, but I took it as an act of discipline, and it was still a loss, because I was looking at this area. This yellow area is a 2-hour zone, like this kind of candlestick formation from way back in the beginning of the month. This entire thing. So it's like, so look at the nastiness of this range of this candle right here. So this candlestick kind of formation is like it's like a hammer. There's a name for it. I don't remember what it is. I keep saying that, but like just this kind of hammer looking type of candle is a sign for possible reversal, and you can see that it was a big huge correction after that. So this is an area to watch out for. And so if I just mark that area again, you can see that that's the area that it kind of touched, and it came back, and it's just kind of slowly creeping up there again. And I'm looking for this momentum to die off, right? There's a lot of, if you look at this on the 2-hour chart, overall there's a lot of bullishness, but these are really small candles, and you can see there's already a tweezer kind of action happening right now. Even on the 1 hour, there's like a uncertainty candles here, and a little tweezer action already happening here, right? The highs are the same, and we'll wait for this candle to close, but I'm waiting for this momentum to die off and then maybe take an entry. I want this area to hold up. I think it's going to hold up. At least that's my play. I want to see the RSI die a little, although we were already getting maybe some divergence. We'll see. I want to see it before I actually place an entry. But I did kind of see that, and I wanted to play against that for the opening range, but I just took it as an act of discipline. Still got caught and stopped out. No big deal. At least I was disciplined about it. I took an opening range on the natural gas. That actually worked. I hit my target, which was around the right where the price is right now, actually. 2.58. That's where I took my target, right before the quarter there. Although I probably could have squeezed one more quarter out of it in hindsight, but you know, no need to really, you know, rehash that. Yeah, so that was one of my wins, and that balances out my loss in crude oil. I think that literally makes it that's where a lot of my profit came from, actually. Right, and I took a bunch of positions that I didn't close out on the S&P. You know, I took this quarter, the 34.25, when it retraced. I took a loss on I did get stopped out on the Dow as it retraced this morning. And, you know, I kind of didn't do this the right way. I regret kind of doing it the way that I did. I really should have been more mindful of the fact that, you know, I saw divergence. That should have been my sign, but I don't know. I didn't see it. So I got to be more mindful of that. I really want to set up an alert system for divergence, but like it's not working either. So that's a little bit frustrating. But this divergence is an indicator saying like, hey, start taking profits. You know, like there's a warning sign. And lo and behold, you know, start at 8 o'clock this morning. You see a nasty correction, and then you can see like this is the quarter that actually ended up holding to bounce it back. And you can see that there's a bearish, hidden bullish There's the hidden bullish here indicating that, hey, it's probably going to go back up. So the divergence is working for me. It's just that I'm not exactly paying attention to it as much as I should. And I ended up taking some unnecessary losses. Still ended up profitable, but I didn't take off in nearly enough profit as I should have. So still a lot of room for improvement there. The rest of my positions currently are on the currencies, and I am looking at a pound long. Took the this. You'll see that I took the currencies all pretty much on the same spots. The 33,075. Looking at this target over here. I have a bunch of contracts on the euro, which I wish was actually on the pound because the euro is not moving nearly as much. So same kind of thing. The one hesitation band to the one green to the next green. I wish this was moving a lot better. I wish this was moving like the pound, but whatever. I'm very cautious of this. This doesn't look nearly as bullish or as strong. So I might have to start taking some contracts down to manage risk or start moving profits up. Same thing with the Australia dollar. Same kind of situation from green to this is a green that is a lower band, not an upper band. The other two was an upper band. This is one that's going to be the lower band of the 250. So I'm probably going to be very, very, very respectful of the 250 here. No stacking of the contracts on the Aussie here, and just probably take at least one contract off here and kind of see what happens and see where the momentum is at that time. That's really it for me today, guys. I can't really stay on for too long, so this is probably one of the shorter lives that you're going to see. I am committed to showing up here daily. So stick around, make sure you subscribe and follow, and stay tuned for tomorrow's episode of my trading vlog here on YouTube. Thank you.